안녕 친구들, 오랜만이네. Did you miss me? I missed you. So today I'm here to introduce to you guys a program that is coming, a chance for you to win some mullahs. Yes, the Korean Food Promotion Institute is launching a new program that's going to start November 30th to December 6th. And as you hear the name, Korean Food Promotion Institute, yes, it's gonna be a contest about Korean food. Are you excited? I'm excited. So as far as I know, there are gonna be two different categories. First one is a kimchi themed cooking video, and the second one is a Korean food mukbang. So you can do any of the two, and just when you take the video, you can upload it on either YouTube or Instagram. I'll be posting a lot of mine on Instagram. And you just need to put the hashtags and then upload your entry into the playkoreafood.com website, and good. You just wait for your results to come out. I think it's just, you could take like a week from the 6th and your result will be out, and you know you win some moolah. Okay, it's not about the money. But there is no limit to the number of entries you can do. I'm so excited about all the videos I'm going to upload just about this contest, because I must win first prize for moi, and I don't cook, so it's just gonna be mukbangs, or maybe I will experiment cooking something. I don't know yet. I still have a lot of ideas. I have too many ideas. It's just a week away. But anyway, let's move location. I would always show you a sample of what the mukbang can look like. We will be having something you've all been dreaming about right here. Samgyeopsal. Okay, samgyeopsal is the representative Korean barbecue. So every time you go to a Korean barbecue restaurant, this is what we get. Every K-drama lover also knows what this is. Let's try some. And also, to make it more delicious, we gotta add some kimchi. So we're gonna add some to make it more delicious. So usually, we cut to make it easier to eat, because obviously no one's gonna eat like that. Oh no, I can't do that. You need to cut it. 100% concentration. 아이고. Come to mama. Right, it looks all done. Let's take this to the side. Prepare. Oh yeah. When I first came to Korea, usually I thought you just pick it, eat samgyeopsal. Oh, so soft. Wow. Amazing. What happens to all the side dishes? Do they just throw it away? Is it just meant to make the table fancy? Then I realized they eat it all. And I was like, how? So I'm gonna show you guys. In K-drama, as we always see, they always try and create some layer. And when they create the layer, they put the meat inside. I'm just gonna go with one. No matter the step you take, never forget samja. Which I'm not gonna take a lot, just gonna take a little bit. We've all seen this scene in K-drama, right? No, not 먹어. Sorry, excuse me. Open wide. The fresher the vegetables, the better. Musa. It's the pickle. Let's take one. Look how thin it is. I've never actually tried it. This is gonna be my first time. Oh yeah, there you go. And you wrap it. Oh, look how pretty it is. I think I get it. Musam is kind of sweet, and the meat is kind of greasy because of the pork. So the combination makes it seem. Oh, I don't know. There's a taste I'm trying to remember. Oh, but it's really good. I don't know why I never tried this. I've always been scared because I'm the kind that once I find what I like, I always go with that, and I've always used only the perilla seeds. So let's try another one. Oh yeah, come. There you go. In most Korean restaurants, after like you finish eating all of the meat, they also like make like a fried rice, comes like a stir fry for you, which is I think is very good. But today we're not gonna do the stir fry. Today we're gonna try and fry some other things that they usually do with the meat. Like earlier I did like a meat and kimchi, but now I'm just gonna show like how they do like with mushrooms, garlic, and some other stuff. So let's try it. So when you have that all with the mushrooms, I'm just gonna, this time I'm gonna use like the green onions. This is for a more seasoned feel. Just a little bit. Bye.